Hey there, Nick here with a quick video on how to maintain your ProLift automatic and keep it in tip-top shape. Like all of us, the ProLift's going to need a little bit of TLC over the years, so here are a few steps to make sure you continue to get the most out of your ProLift. Step 1. Lead screw grease. Make sure you keep the lead screw well greased with white lithium grease and keep the sides of the column clean. Step 2. Batteries. The Milwaukee battery is rechargeable and should last for years. If you've lost your battery though, or you want a backup, just go online to omnicube.parts to purchase another one. Your remote has batteries too. If these run low, it may cause inconsistent movement of the platform. The remote will let you know it needs new batteries when you go to press start and no light comes on. But we recommend checking the remote to make sure it has fresh batteries every few months. Step 3. Rubber. Prolong the life of the rubber on your cart by wiping it down with a damp rag on a regular basis so it can continue to protect your material from chipping or damage. Avoid using any solvents on the rubber, as this will cause it to break down faster. If your rubber is damaged, you can easily remove the old rubber and replace it with our rubber replacement kit, available online at omnicube.parts. Step 4. Limit switches. Prior to lifting any material, be sure to check your limit switches. When they're moved out of place, this can cause the platform to bottom out, creating a dangerous scenario for your crew. Should you have any doubt about the placement of the limit switches, please call our customer service team for help. As always, our US-based customer service team is only one helpful call or email away from assisting you with any product questions you may have.